Hi everybody, Tory with Fairchild Equipment here. I am a capital sales representative for the company. I handle Milwaukee, Racine, and Kenosha counties. A little bit about me: I have a slight addiction to golf, which can get me into trouble sometimes in the summer. But I did want to share a little bit of information with you guys, a tip, something that I'm running into as I'm visiting new customers, existing customers too, is you need to have a way to closely track your maintenance spend and have that spend broken out per unit on your material handling equipment. A lot of companies are surprised as these forklifts, pieces of material handling equipment age, that cost of repair continues to go up. And you'll hit a certain breaking point where it might be in your best interest to just go ahead, trade in that piece of equipment and look into maybe leasing a new piece of equipment. Obviously the first couple of years of maintenance spend isn't that much, but as they age that continues to go up. So we have software, other companies have software out there that'll allow you to break that out per unit and then see what you're actually continuing to spend money on. So again, keep a close eye on that. It'll keep your CEO, CFO, your accounting teams happy, and it'll make you look like a hero too. So that's it. Thanks.